Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let me quickly turn on the grid lines before we will do anything. It is because, as you can see, I've got those diagonal lines. It is because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So to reset the options, we have to open the three bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults and tap on Restore. As you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully removed the camera personalization. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.